In this video, I'll show you how to enable 120 FPS on your PS5. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, so if you want smoother gameplay and more responsive controls on your PS5, enabling 120 FPS is one of the best settings you can turn on. Games that support 120 FPS can feel smoother than 60 FPS, especially in fast-paced shooters, racing games, and competitive multiplayer titles. However, your PS5 isn't the only thing that needs to support 120 FPS. Your TV or monitor must also support 120Hz refresh rate. So in this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable it on your PS5 and make sure compatible games take advantage of it. Alright, from the PS5's home screen, you want to go to settings. From here, you want to go to screen and video. Select video output and then scroll down and look for 120Hz output. Make sure the settings is set to automatic. And then you want to go back to the main settings, hover down to save data and game app settings, select game preset, and then for performance mode or resolution mode, you're going to select performance mode. This tells your PS5 to prioritize higher frame rates instead of higher graphical quality whenever a game gives you the option. Now launch a game that supports 120 FPS. Some games automatically enable 120 FPS after you've changed the PS5 settings. Other games require you to enable it manually. To do that, open the game settings menu and look for options such as performance mode, 120Hz mode, 120 FPS, or high frame rate mode. Once you've enabled the option, the game may ask you to restart or reload. After that, your game should begin running it up to 120 FPS, giving you smoother gameplay and lower input latency. That's how you enable 120 FPS on your PS5. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.